night before moving day. It is 5 o'clock. The evening before my moving day tomorrow. Shout out to North Star Movers, the best movers in the game in LA. We moved with them last year and they have made this year's moving process, just packing up and everything, so easy. They brought like a ton of boxes over. If you are subscribed to my vlog channel, you may have seen my last vlog showing a bunch of like my packing process. But this kicks off the official moving vlog, which my room is not fully packed up. I've gotten most things packed up, just kind of like these exterior decorative items. I haven't packed up my bathroom, but all of my like kitchen stuff downstairs, and like living room under the stairs stuff, everything like that is packed up, and most of my closet. So I think we are on track to finish this up. I've just been working away all day. It honestly doesn't feel real that I'm moving tomorrow. I've been like looking forward to this and honestly like counting down to this for so long. If you know, you know. But now it's like the day before and I've just been so busy this week. I feel like I haven't really like soaked in like the reality that these are like, this is my last day here. And like, I don't even have time, I feel like, to like soak it up and appreciate it like I want to. It's just, I feel like it's gonna be so weird tomorrow. It honestly doesn't feel like this is happening tomorrow, but this is like the last night I'm gonna sleep in this room. So it's like a little sad. I'm trying not to even like be sad or sentimental about it because like I am so excited for the future, but like I do just want to like soak up those last moments. And I mean, I still have the key to this house until October 1st. Welcome to the moving vlog. If this is the first video you've seen of mine, I would love if you would subscribe and turn on those post notifications. And following this video over on my vlog channel, lots more like moving and decorating videos are going to be going up of me getting settled into my new place. So, you know, I feel like before we really move, there have just been so many good moments in this house. There really have been. Like, this has been just like the best hosting house. Like, just so many great parties and just really memorable things for me. I feel like some of my happiest moments in LA have actually happened in this house, and I'm just really, I mean, this was just such a great space for me to really just feel fulfilled, getting creative, like hosting things. A lot of you guys have probably followed along, but I feel like it would be fitting to roll a little montage to just look back at some of these moments before we move out. So, cue the clips. We're moving! This is my first roommate. Wow, we're really doing it, y'all. Welcome home. We're really doing it. All right, candles are lit.
Yeah. I want you to be here. Oh my God.
Self-care day. Like, this is it. I don't know how to do it. Getting in some last minute laundry so that everything is ready to go. All right, here's what we're working with right now. Lots of boxes out here. This is a bunch of my like closet stuff. Cannot remember to take down that mirror. Most stuff is out of this dresser. I still need to take stuff out of the nightstands. All of the clothes that are still hanging are just gonna go right off of the rod and onto like a wardrobe box. It just makes it easy like packing up and then putting it in my new closet. I need to unplug my fridge that I have in the bathroom so that that can kind of like melt out because it gets so cold. There's like some ice in it. And then the downstairs overview. Things are looking wild down here. One of my roommates is also packing up to move out, I think this weekend as well. So not all this is my boxes. Like all this stuff out here is hers, but I'm gonna be taking the dining table and chairs are mine. this little piece of furniture. I think I have most stuff out of under the closet except for my Christmas tree. I packed up all of my glassware and stuff that was in here, and everything else in here is just alcohol that I need to pack up. I'm probably gonna carry over myself. My coffee table. These are all of my boxes of like some holiday, not those ottomans aren't mine, but this is all my like decorative stuff and kitchen stuff from down here. So at some point tomorrow, probably while the movers are packing stuff up, I will pack up all of my food to like take over my own car, bring these shelves with me, bring this little coffee table thing with me, this rug. So we're making good progress. I'm gonna miss this kitchen, but my new kitchen's pretty cute too. I would say one of my favorite things about this house was our little sitting room here. That like later in the day, the wind, the light just comes through and it just looks so pretty. With this like little green tree that was in our front yard. It's moving day. Here is how things are going. Crazy. The one thing I'm not done with yet is the bathroom. The movers are here. There's my movers. All right, my car, I'm blasting the AC. These poor guys, I mean, I know this is their job, but I just feel so bad. It took like 2 hours for them to pack up all my stuff. I've loaded my car down with like some fragile stuff that I just didn't want to take the time to like protectively pack or whatever. And like threw my food in here. It's probably gonna melt by the time I get over there, but I'm heading to the house. I'm so excited. This day literally doesn't feel real. Like, I don't know what I think I'm doing right now, but I feel like last year on moving day, it was like, I felt like it was moving day, and today I feel like it doesn't feel real and I'm not going back to sleep at that house and then I have a new house, you know what I mean? I don't know, maybe it's just because I've been so busy, but I'm so excited. All right, the movers just left. Whew. I am exhausted. I literally can't even show myself. I look arguably the worst I've looked in a really long time. Oh, sun is really coming in, so it's a little hard to tell. I'll have lots more footage tomorrow. I'm probably just gonna relax the rest of the night. I don't even think I'm really gonna unpack. But yeah, the lighting makes it a little difficult to see. Lots to unpack, but I am exhausted, so I think I'm gonna sign it off for today. This is what we're working with. We'll pick this up tomorrow. Happy Monday. I did not vlog anything yesterday, which was Sunday. I did very minimal unpacking yesterday as well. I kind of just like took the day to literally chill on the couch and like minorly unpack. So you really missed nothing there. That was just me like digging through things to find like my like deodorant and things like that. So it's the first full weekday in the new house. Yesterday I went to Trader Joe's, stocked up on so much stuff. The grocery bill was a lot. Just like stuff for the week, as well as just like staples and like sauces and things that I normally like to have on hand. I picked up these flowers. I thought they were so cute. Hit up Target last night, bought a ton of cleaning stuff. I'm still trying to figure out places for like everything. Basically, I did unpack just to get rid of like some boxes to have some walkway space through here. I've unpacked like all of my kitchen stuff, but like not in any kind of order. Actually, that's probably one of the more organized drawers. I just like put things away. Like that's not gonna, I wanna have a cool spice drawer. Things aren't staying in the condition they're at right now. Like my food under here literally is just like wedged under here. I wanna get like organizational bins and stuff and like categorize things. I was worried I wasn't gonna have room for all 6 dining chairs, that it was gonna be too tight, and I might just like keep 2 under the stairs or something. But really there's plenty of room. Like we have plenty of room on this side, plenty of room on this side. So I think I'm gonna keep all 6 out, which is nice. This is not staying in the center of the table. Lots of stuff to unpack. The majority of boxes have moved upstairs. And then here's my dilemma of the moment. Let me know what you think. First of all, I've just had to accept that this TV, so it's like off the wall right now, an angle, because it was angled towards the TV. I was watching TV last night. So unless it's like straight up against the wall, like if I leave it out, it looks as though this is not even with the wall. Like it looks crooked and not centered, but really it's because it's like this far out from the wall right now. So in order for that to look right, I have to be diligent about sticking it back up against the wall. But I really just don't care that much. So all of that to say, I just wanted to mention that so that everyone knows this TV is in fact like centered with the wall and not crooked, even if it doesn't appear that way. I was also just reading through the comments on my empty house tour video, which was my last video that went up. About, I know I mentioned in that video, like wanting to paint some of the silver accents and railings and stuff, like paint those a matte black. At one point, I didn't say this in that video, but a big part of me thought I was actually gonna paint the doors black and like switch out all of the hardware. I was gonna switch all of that to gold. I was basically gonna copy like my old house. I love how it looked there. So that was gonna be the door. And then
all the like bathroom accents were gonna be either like a matte black or like dark brass matte situation. Again, just trying to copy my old house because I think it looked so cute and all of my stuff matched perfectly. However, I ended up leaving it and I kind of like it, mainly because I feel like these dining chairs are such a focal point here. In my last place, like downstairs, me and my roommates just kind of like threw a bunch of furniture together that we all had and it all like matched pretty well. But like things in that house, I would say were definitely a little bit like warmer toned with all the gold. And so these seats are like a gray, but they're almost like a blue. They look kind of like blue, gray, velvety. I actually like how well those match the cabinets, how it kind of like brings out that shade. So therefore it also matches the doors. I'm glad I didn't touch those. Hello, wine. But even like this glass on the coffee table looks a little blue. So what I am getting to with all of that is that a lot of things I had in my last place that I was planning to use here had like the black accents or more like warm tones, things like this. I'm thinking, you know, maybe that can work in my bedroom still, even with the doors being like that gray color, because like my bedroom set and bedding and pillows and everything and like the gold mirror in there, everything in there is very warm toned. I'll show you in a second. I'm starting to think things like, I guess just mainly this big print that was like such a focal point of my bedroom that I really wanted to use again. It's just not matching in here. Do we agree? Like, I feel like I would love to get a print that's the same size to go here. I feel like I almost need something that has like some blues or just maybe not black and maybe not like the yellowy tan color, even though it's like, it's not that far off from the cabinets. But do you guys know what I mean? Like something about it just like isn't matching. And I have so many things that are like this, style or like these colors, like this vase and like pampas grass stuff that used to go in my room. Like I just feel like the black doesn't match. So let me know your thoughts. Another dilemma I'm having is regarding, I love, obviously this is not how this is being styled. I love this piece of furniture. I've had it from my last 2 places I've lived in LA. I normally keep just like drink supplies, alcohol, stuff like that in here. I love how like just seamlessly this like matches. Like I feel like it's the perfect color, matches the wall, kind of just like, you don't even really see it like once this stuff's off of it. If you recall from the empty house tour, I talked a lot about my TV dilemma, which at this point you've already seen what I did, about if I was gonna put a smaller one here or like go for a bigger one over on this side. So previously my plan was if I had a TV there, I was gonna have a full length mirror right here and that was going to cover like these outlets. But now of course nothing's down here. So I'm wondering, do I move this over there to like have, because I'm gonna have to get something to block like those cords and the outlets and things like that, or do I just want to get like plants or something more decorative? Like, is that gonna look stupid? But is it gonna look stupid having a shelving unit right beside this other shelving unit when they don't match? Or like what if the height isn't exactly the same? I don't know. And if I did move that, I still want to get like something here. Maybe like it doesn't have to be as storage focused. It could be more of like a cute decorative table that's like a little long, just some kind of like entryway table thing. Let me know what you think. I do need to get bar stools still. I was kind of having a dilemma about that because the ones I wanted are like a wood top with like matte black legs, but now I'm like, is the black gonna match? Like we don't really have anything black except for like mysteriously this counter is like almost black. And then in here, I need to move this fan. These cabinets are like a super dark gray, that's black. Like what? Also part of me who doesn't care about my security deposit wants to like paint some wall in here like a really dark color, because I loved at my last place how our half bath there had like a really pretty dark wall. Also I was dying at some comment when you guys left that said like, tell me a man designed this place without telling me a man designed this place, because literally yes. Like getting into the shower, you have like the glass door open, and so one would think like at my last place, you know, the shower door opens, there is the faucet to turn on, so you don't have to like get all the way in the shower and reach it on the far side to like stand in the water as you turn it on, because the door is located farthest away from the shower head, you know what I mean? That's not the case here. Here you have to, the like shower head is the opposite side of the shower door, so you have to like make a run for it or like tilt it away every time you want to get in the shower. Lots of questionable design things. I don't own this house, so I didn't care. That is one like really nice thing about like moving around and renting a bunch of different places, is learning the things that you like and don't like, and like things to actually pay attention to in future houses, like when you go to like buy or even just like rent in the future. So now I know. No, we live and we learn. My last place we moved in, it didn't have blinds. We spent a lot of money custom fitting blinds to like all of our windows. Every time I toured a place this time around, if it didn't have blinds, it was a no, because I know how expensive that is. Yeah, I really need to do some unpacking because I don't know where my razor is, don't know where my face wash is. We're just living without a few things right now. Here's a little fridge overview. We got beverages, coffee things. I have like random dips and eggs. I need to watch videos. I'm really excited. This is something I want to do today, is like look up fridge organization tips and videos. Because right now I've just kind of grouped things by category, but I'm excited to really go all out with this. downstairs update. This is what my bedroom is looking like. I think the light is just so pretty at this hour. I'm working with a few different of these mirrors. I'm trying to figure out where to put, contemplated one there. Right now, here's good. I have the unpacked, so nothing into the bathrooms. I threw in like my clothes just into the drawer or the closets here. Just kind of based on category at my old place, but I don't really know where I actually want to put everything. There's closet space in the other bedroom slash office room, as well as this closet currently has nothing in it. Oops, this closet, I put like one thing in. And then over here, there's lots to unpack here, but you recognize these are the bookshelves from my last place. I have my mini fridge from the bathroom. Probably gonna put that in that corner so you're not really seeing it unless you're like in the room. My dresser and TV. All right, moving on to like bathroom unpacking. Should turn a light on in here. So I have two bathrooms, well, three technically. I have the half bath downstairs, then I have this bathroom upstairs, and then a whole other one that has two sinks as well. So I'm thinking, since this one is off of the bedroom, I'm gonna put like my more commonly used things in here, and then like cleaning supplies, random like lesser used things under the other one. Second bedroom is currently just a disaster, so we'll ignore that. Same for this bathroom. I think there is a little bit more storage in this one, maybe not. All right, bathroom is now cleaned out. Need some feedback. These are my like toothbrush and soap things I brought over from the last house that I love. They're like this nice heavy stoneware stuff, but they are gold. And as I've talked about, most things are silver. So I picked up these that are also like a similar vibe. Like they're like a heavy little, my camera died, but these are similar. They're just like a heavy stone. So what do you think? Let me know if you like better. Also, my towels that are like kind of discolored, so I could stand to get some more anyway, but they're like a warm tone that would match this better. But then it's like, what color towels do I get to go with this? Because the bathroom is all like dark grays and whatever. These are the updates. Obviously the shelves have not been styled, but I have put some things on them just to get it out of the way. Still have some more stuff to figure out where to put it, but I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog for now. Also, I did take the rug out of this room. It was this like faux fur thing that I had at my last place that once upon a time was pretty close to white and now is like a very dingy, not white color. So might get a different rug in here. I need to get some plants. I liked how my last place, these shelves were styled with like plants coming off of them. Also putting things up in my closet, trying to figure out how best to style that. These bins from the top of my last closet fit really well up there. But everything else at the moment is kind of just like being put somewhere before I figure out the best system. And that is it for this vlog. I forgot to film an outro a few days ago, but I'm really excited to be living here for like this new chapter. Thank you guys so much for following along. If you want to see more like decorating updates, there's literally so much more to come and like so much to do. That'll be happening mostly over my vlog channel, but I'm gonna do a home decor haul and probably like some Amazon home favorites and things like that still on this channel. So if this is the first video you're seeing of mine, shouldn't have put this at the end of the video, but please subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.